Playing Star Wars Republic Commando and have a CTM map file? These contain game maps for the tactical Star Wars shooter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Republic Commando map files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken CTM. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. CTM files are map files used by Star Wars Republic Commando, the tactical first-person shooter from LucasArts. They contain level geometry textures, lighting, AI scripting, and gameplay elements defining the missions and environments players experience throughout the campaign. CTM files use the Unreal Engine 2 map format, adapted for Republic Commando storing, BSP geometry texture references, AI pathing, scripted events, and gameplay-specific data following the Unreal Editor specification with Republic Commando game-specific extensions. The standard opener for CTM is known to be Star Wars Republic Commando, developed by LucasArts Entertainment Company, LLC. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. To open this specific CTM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Star Wars Republic Commando is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If your CTM file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the CTM file is refusing to open. First, loading in this game. Place CTM files in the Republic Commando Maps directory, typically located at Steam Apps Common Star Wars Republic Commando Game Data Maps folder. Launch the game and load custom maps through the developer console or mod-friendly map selection interfaces. Next, editing with Unreal Ed. Open CTM files in Unreal Ed 2, the level editor compatible with Republic Commando assets. The editor provides level editing capabilities including geometry, modification, texture, application lighting, calculation, and AI scripting for creating custom Republic Commando missions. Finally, modding community tools. Use community-developed Republic Commando modding tools available through ModDB and Star Wars gaming communities. These tools provide enhanced editing capabilities and conversion utilities for working with CTM files alongside other game assets in custom mission development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.